Good night. My name is Brian Ervine, spelled with an E. Spelled with an E because the story goes my grandfather changed it from an I to an E during the Depression to get first preference on the dole queue. I sing unaccompanied because no self-respecting musician wants to be near me. I pleaded with these people. You should have seen them leave the stage there as quickly as possible. That band, wonderful, weren't they? Marvellous. All right. I want to sing a song called, it's all my own stuff, by the way. It's all my own stuff. It's a song called Far Off Fields of Picardy. And ask the question, was it really worth it? I hear about all these young people dying. You know, not much older than 19. Average age was about 19, 20. And they died in their hordes, in their multitudes. And you ask the question, you look back and you say, was it really worth it? When we're confronted with the world that we have now, we have a look at it. Was it really worth it? And this is a question, this is a song that asks that question. Alright, so bear with me. Actually, I actually made a few CDs. And special brands then, RUC special brands bought 500 copies. I said to a friend, well, why did they buy 500 copies? They said, well, Brian, they paid your CD to three guys in the Shangle, and they confessed to the outbreak of the Second World War. They said they've got a lucrative market in the Balkans and the West African dictatorships. Anyway, this is, was it really worth it? Far Off Fields of Picardy. Softly runs the river. Sorry. See when you're singing unaccompanied, you don't have anybody to lean on. My wife's over there, but she's cringing at the minute, you know. Softly run the rivers that flow through Picardy. The Ombre and the Somme meander to the sea. In the land beyond, stretched by cemeteries of a butchered generation, lost and gone. Was it really worth it? The bloody sacrifice, all the pain and agony, the tumult and the strife. Oh, desolation and futile waste of life on the far off fields of Picardy. Silent flow the rivers, a slow cascade of tears, and a muted grieving and hurt through all the years. Bittersweet remembrance of those volunteers who fell on far off fields of Picardy. Was it really worth it for a few miles of ground when that youthful multitude was brutally mown down in the deadly no man's land nearby Thiepval Wood on the far off fields of Picardy? Constant flow the rivers of precious memories of those many thousands who fell like autumn leaves. Dread this desolation of frail humanity. Now the summer's gone and harvest past. Was it really worth it? The carnage and the mess, anguish and vain suffering, the chaos and distress. Are these ranks of gravestones all that there is left on the far off fields of Picardy? Yes, we will gather at the the gently flowing river gather with their ghosts at the river on the far off fields of Picardy.